Yo guys, today I'm vlogging and I'm at Thailand. That's not why I put it. Well, this is how I get into Thailand. First, I am at the police, and then I get into Kedah, and then I got into Thailand. I don't know, why don't you just go to Padang Bursa? Why didn't you go? Yeah, we got some cool and sick things like that. Yeah, at least I live in Malaysia, so yeah, the air is fresh there. Then I want to tell you something. I made this video because I want views. Last time my first vlog is in Malaysia, and then my vlog is in Malaysia, and then it's in Thailand. But I will make another vlog. I don't know where to do, but if I'm traveling, I will make a vlog quickly. Sorry, I only make 1-2 videos per day, so 2 to 3 videos per week, 4 to 5 videos per month, 5 to 6 videos per year, or 5 only. Because my mom doesn't have a phone, so I let him borrow my phone for half 12 hours. I take the phone after he gets the 12 hours, and then I only get the phone for 10 hours or 9 hours or 12, 11 hours or 9 hours for some reason, because I had to sleep. So yeah, I will check the time. It's 7 a.m. It's 7 p.m. in Titian, or 7 a.m. or something. So yeah, this is my little brother's food. My mom and dad is just there taking some stuff or eating. I don't know. So this is a 5-minute video. So yeah, it's really bright. Okay, sorry, okay, it's really dark now. So I'm just flashing. So yeah, right now I will end this video at 5 minutes or 4 minutes. Oh, let me think. Oh, at 30 and 56 seconds. So I'm just going to talk to you for straight 1 second. You guys. So if you haven't checked one of my videos that I say thanks for 5k views. Oh, I still have 39 views. Sorry, I just saw I have 5.5k views. So thanks. It's really hot. I'm going to eat this egg. Okay, bye bye guys.